Kujichagulia, which is self-determination. One of the examples is when my rites of passage girls had to come up with a name. Kujichagulia means you must define yourself instead of being defined by others. So they named themselves the Aziza Nubians.
Slaves and dogs are named by their masters. Free men and women name themselves. I was like, wait a minute. I'm a free, you know what I'm saying? I do not want to be known by the name that my slave master gave me or gave my family. I want to know. So this whole thought process starts in my head, and I'm like, and then the Hebrew Israelites brothers were the drummers that I was hooking up with, and they all had names like Moshe, Meshach, you know. So I go to the Bible, and I open it up, and I put my finger in it, and I hit Genesis, and Jubal is one of the names. And I like Jubal because he was the one who brought music to the world. So I said, yeah, give me that one.
For me, because there's not too many women of color or black women in this new feminist wave movement, but for me, I understand the privilege that I hold in being in experiences that are not only was discriminatory because of my race, but because of my gender. I felt that women of color could have a voice and come into the fold and be leaders in this movement, and I took that as an opportunity to voice and express myself. And what brought me to the movement was, of course, my own issues, my own trauma and pain that I experienced. But what kept me in the movement was community, uplifting people who just did not have the same opportunity as me.